private school, Dubai. I am in year 6 and today my project is going to be about natural disaster recovery. This project is made using Scratch application and to demonstrate how to help flood victims using drone technology. One of the main problems that people suffering in flood are facing is that they are not able to get their basic needs such as food and water. The objective of this process is to help those people get their basic needs in crucial times such as during a flood. In my prototype, when the characters say help me, a drone comes in, glides over the characters and gives food bags to them. The way the drone knows when to glide over the characters is that the characters broadcast a message to the drone telling it to glide. Then once the drone touches the characters, it broadcasts a message to the food bag telling it to go to the next to the characters and show itself. And then once the food bag receives that message, the food bag will go next to the characters, show themselves, and until the drone just goes until the end of the stage. Thank you.